Okay, well let's go take the car for a wash. Hang on.
あれ何？
What's that? Eh? What's that?
かぼちゃ？
What? Eh?
新じゃが？何？
Oh my. Okay, hang on, everyone. Alright, I'm just gonna do a U-turn. I think we found something kind of strange. Hang on, where can I U-turn? No, I'll go up a little bit further.
なんかじゃがいもとか書いてあって、かぼちゃとか。何？
Vegetables? On eh? Okay, I think I can. Okay, I'm going to do a U-turn here. Hang on, everyone. I'm just concentrating on the road. Okay, I've come into. Oh, this is the amusement centre we came to.
そうだ、バッティングとか書いてある。
It's not open. What time does this place open?
バックします。
Sounds like a big truck.
バックします。
Okay. So whereabouts was it? Just down the road.
左に。
On the left? Okay.
じゃがいも使っちゃう。
Ah, saw you timing. Just when I want to leave, there's cars coming everywhere. So maybe we'll wash the car later.
そうだね。なんかすごい気になるあの旗。
Alright. Oh, that's a nice car. Alright, let's go. It's closed, dude. Oh, Tucker. Okay. That guy still lives with his mum.
Wow. それこそファンタスティックだ。
That's not fantastic. Still living with his mum. Where was it?
あそこ。
Oh, okay.
何気になる。
Let's make a quick stop.
これなんか。
Okay, we're going in here. Alright.
新鮮野菜？フレッシュベジタブルってこと？おお。
Oh my god.
野菜並んでるんだけど。何？
It's a vegetable vending machine.
本当？
Come on, let's go and have a look.
見たい。
Let's have a look. Give me the camera.
はい。
Alright, let's get out. I'll leave the car on, it's too hot. Hey everyone. Welcome back to Twinges. We've just stopped on the side of the road. Yuki's here too.
何これ？
We've found a vegetable vending machine. Here it is.
じゃがいも、新じゃがいも、新玉ねぎ、ナス、きゅうり、ホワイトニンニク。え？
Yeah.
ロッカールームみたい。何？
It's like a private.
でも見て、じゃがいもはビタミン C とカリウムがいっぱい。
Yeah, thanks. I think I know that. It's actually pretty cheap.
じゃがいも美味しそう。
Okay, so what are these? Cucumbers?
違うよ、そうだ。ピーマンかと思った。
Potatoes, lots of potatoes.
オールかぼちゃ。パンプキン。あ、インゲン見てフレッシュ。みんなフレッシュ。
Oh, French beans. I love beans. You want to try it?
買ってみたい。インゲンとじゃがいも。
Okay.
ロッカールームみたい。
So you can see it's kind of like a locker that you'd find in like a train station or something. She's gonna. What are you gonna get?
インゲン。
Okay, she's gonna get some green beans. Here we go. So like a locker, put the money in here.
こっちか。
Okay.
ここ。
And then turn it. Open. And you take out the beans.
1個？
No, well, 200. Well, take out both of them.
そっか。
That was easy. Wow. And
フレ
then
ッ
you
シュ。
close it up.
見て見て。
I know that.
フレッシュ。
Wow.
2つ。
That's actually really cheap.
こんなに入ってるよ。
You want to buy something else?
あっちゃんロッカータイプとか。メーカーの名前か。じゃがいも買いたいんだけど100円ちょうだい。
I don't have any money on me. It's in the car.
だって1000円ペーパーしかない。
Okay, we'll hold this and talk.
トーク。じゃがいもが欲しい。In English, I want to potato. I want to buy potato 200.
Okay, so I've just got 200 yen.
買いたいでしょ、いいよ、買って。
I don't really want to buy potatoes.
言っていいよ、I want to buy potato.
It's not an English lesson. It's like a really strange English lesson.
I want to buy potato. なんか今日の
Say it again.
I want to buy potato.
Potatoes. You're not buying one, you're buying several. Okay, so which one? Coming up the top somewhere. Oh, this one looks good. Okay.
This one.
So 200 yen. What's that? A couple of dollars. 1, 2. Open.
Oh, fresh だ本当に。
Fresh potatoes. That's really cool. Hold up the potatoes and the beans.
大量収穫しました。すごいでしょこれ。
I've never seen this kind of vending machine before.
いつからあるのこれ。
Hang on, let me go back a little bit. It's actually pretty big.
新鮮野菜自動販売機って書いてある。
Okay.
月水金とさせていただく。
It says the price here, 200. And then we have ninjing, so, oh sorry, ninniku, garlic, cucumbers, eggplant, onions, and potatoes. The homemade signs look good.
かわいいよこれ。見て見てイラストかわいい。美味しいよって書いてある。言って。美味しいよ。
美味しいよ. That's not bad.
面白いね。知らなかった。
If you're in this area, I'm not going to tell you where it is or how to get there. It's too complicated. Oh, it's getting with it. Oh, there's a car wash. Oh, there is a car wash. Do you want to wash it? I don't have any more coins. Okay, this is a Japanese. We'll just come for a walk. Oh, you can do that one. That's pretty special. Look at that. Do-it-yourself car wash. That's not bad. Or you can literally just park the car in here and give it a wash yourself. Jeez, there's lots of rubbish in here. That's the old person coming out in here. So you just choose the course that you want to wash your car. There's the gun. There's no one here. It's such a nice day and there's no one out washing the car. I suppose everyone's working. Very busy. Well, I want to go home and cook these vegetables. Yeah, looks good. Mashed potato. Alright. She forgot about me. Alright, well, let's get back in the car. You can see, gee, that car needs a wash. Anyway, one more time, there's a vending machine. Back in the car. Oh, that's nice and cool. So let's have a look again. What did you get? Green beans? That's a lot of beans. That's actually really cheap.
Potato.
Beans.
Beans,
not one. You can count them. Steamed, yeah. A bit of, well, in Japan they put mayonnaise on everything. Mayonnaise goes on everything, I think. Alright, so that was our, you're in it, don't worry. So that was our little adventure at the vending machine. I think we'll get the car washed another day. It's too hot. It's like right in the middle of the day. It's too hot. That was actually fun. I know, just never seen a vending machine like that before. Seen lots of strange vending machines. Yeah, really strange. But like a coin locker at a train station, and there's vegetables inside it. Anyway. They're very fresh, yeah. Like picked this morning. Very nice. Very delicious. Okay, they look delicious. Lunch. Beans and potatoes. Excellent. Okay, there's no meat in the locker. It's not refrigerated. It's not a fridge. Anyway, so you had fun? That was actually a nice little adventure.
近くだしね。
Yeah. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you liked our little adventure too. Any comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you!
Bye.